This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make donut cream at home. First, gather your essential ingredients for a smooth, delicious filling. You'll need 1 cup of whole milk, 4 egg yolks, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start crafting the cream base. Gently heat 1 cup of whole milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer, but don't let it boil. In a separate bowl, whisk together your egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch until it's completely smooth. Slowly drizzle about 1/3 of the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. This prevents them from scrambling. Once tempered, pour the entire mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a whisk, until the cream thickens significantly and coats the back of a spoon. Remove it from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until fully combined. Transfer the cream to a bowl, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming, and chill for at least 4 hours, or until completely cold. After chilling, whisk the cream until it's smooth and creamy again, then transfer it to a piping bag. Using a small knife, poke a hole into the side of each cooled donut, then gently pipe in the cream until it feels full. Remember to check the description below for a link to an amazing robot vacuum and other great deals. Cream-filled donuts are best enjoyed fresh, but any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and consumed within 2 days for optimal taste and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.